Hello friends, welcome again my channel, and today in this video I will solve this Duomo Paraminx Rubik's Cube. So this is our Duomo Paraminx Rubik's Cube, and we can solve this cube very easily, and also we can solve this cube same like this simple Paraminx Rubik's Cube. So in this simple Paraminx Rubik's Cube, these are our edges, these are our corners, and in this cube we have also these kind of pieces. So we can say these are our centers, but in this Duomo Paraminx Rubik's Cube we have these triangle pieces, so these are our centers, and in this cube these two color pieces are our edges. For example, this blue and yellow, this is our edge piece, and these big sizes piece are our corners. So now I will scramble both Paraminx Rubik's Cube and then I will solve. Okay, so I have scrambled both cubes. So when we start to solve this simple Paraminx Rubik's Cube, so our first step, we will find three common color corners. For example, if we check these three corners, so in these three corners we have pink common color. So this is our first step, and this is our last and fourth corner. In this corner we can see we have no pink color. So we have find three common color in these corners. So when we find three common colors, so our next step, we will match these pieces. For example, we will turn this corner in this position and then bring it up. Similar, we will also rotate this corner in this position and bring it up. Same step we will apply from this position, match this corner with this and then bring it up. So our first step we have completed. I mean, we have matched corner and centers properly. Same step we will follow in this cube. First we will find any one common color. So for example, this is red, this is also red. If we check in this corner, so we have also red. So our first step we have completed. I mean, we have find three common color. But in this cube we have no need to match centers. We will just find three color, and then our next step we will place our these edges. I mean, this layer that we have select, so we will match these edges. For example, this red and yellow is matching properly. In this side we will match red and green. So we will find in this top side any red and green edge piece. So we have no any red and green edge piece. We will leave this side and we will select any other side. If I select this side, so we need blue and red. So place this layer in bottom and find blue and red edge piece. So we have no any blue and red edge piece. It's mean we will free this edge piece and we will fix in this position, and we will free this edge piece and fix in this position. So first we will free this piece, so just this right layer bring it up, then take out of the way and again bring it down. So we have free our edge piece. Now we will fix in this position. So green and red color we need to fix on this side. So we will find green and red. Okay, so this is our green and red edge piece, and sometime our edge piece we can match from right side, sometime we can match from left side. In this case we can see our edge is matching from left side. So when we match from left side, so we will rotate this right layer up, then place this edge piece on its proper position and bring it down. So this is done, this is fixed. In this side we need red and blue, so first we will find red and blue. So this is red and blue. Again our edge is matching from left side, so match in this left side, then this right layer bring it up, then fix edge piece and bring it down. So this step we have complete and we have solved our bottom. Now in this cube we have find three common pink color and we match our these centers, and same step we will apply in this cube. I mean, there is yellow, there is pink, so we will place yellow and pink edge piece in this position. So this is yellow and pink, and in this time we can see our yellow is matching from right side. So this left side will bring it up, then match this edge piece and bring it down. This is done. In this side we need blue and pink. So this is fixed but this is rotated. So first bring it up, take out of the way and bring this layer down. Now again we will find blue and pink. Okay, so this is blue and pink, and again we can see our edge is matching from right side. So left side will bring it up, then match this edge and bring it down. Similar in this side we need pink and green. So this is our pink and green, and this time we can see edge is matching from left side. So right side bring it up, then match this edge and bring it down. So this first layer we can say, and also we can say this bottom we have solved. Similar in this cube we have solved our bottom, and now our next step we will place all these three edge pieces on its proper position. So in this position we can face two kind of cases. So for example, this is yellow and blue. If I rotate in this side, again we will rotate and again we will rotate. Okay, so we can see this is yellow and blue edge piece, and there is also yellow and blue corner, but this edge piece is rotated. I mean this yellow we need to fix on this side and blue we need to fix on this side. Similar in this side, this is yellow and green, so this is also yellow and green, but this is also rotated. And our third edge piece we can see that is matching properly. Green is matching with green, blue is matching with blue. So when we find this kind of situation, we will place this matching edge piece in this back position. I mean we will place our edge piece in this side, and we will place these two edge pieces that we need to rotate. One edge piece place in left side, second place in right side, and apply very simple algorithm: right down, left down, right up, left up. Now we will rotate cube like that, and we will continue algorithm: right up, u prime, right down, u. Again we will bring our cube in its original position. So when we complete this step, so we can see this edge is fixed properly, this is also fixed properly, this is also fixed. So this step we have completed. Similar in this cube, if I check these three edge pieces, 1, 2, 3. So this is green and yellow. We can see this is also rotated. Green and blue is also rotated, and third edge piece is matching properly. So same step, place this edge piece in this back side and apply right down, right up, left up, then rotate cube in this position, right up, u prime, right down, u. And we can see our this cube we have solved, but we will solve another step. So again I have scrambled my cube and I just match these three edges on its position properly, same like that. I mean these three edge pieces are matching properly. So we have placed our all three edge pieces. Now we will just match our this top corner like that. So we will just match this top corner, I mean green, yellow, blue, and then we will check our edges. If we check this edge piece, so this is yellow and green. This yellow and green we need to fix in this position. This is green and blue. Green and blue we need to fix on this position. This is blue and yellow, we need to fix on this position. It means all three edges we need to rotate clockwise. So this is our first case when we need to rotate all three edges clockwise. So we will hold cube from any angle, we will place this layer in bottom, and we will apply our algorithm. So these three edges we need to rotate clockwise. So when we need to rotate clockwise, so we can apply algorithm R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, u prime, r prime. So our top corner is matching properly and our all edges we have placed properly. We just need to solve our these centers. Similar in this cube, we have solved our all edges. Now we will just match our this top corner like that. Blue is matching with blue, yellow is matching and green is matching. And now we will check our edges. So this is green and blue. We need to fix on this side. Green, yellow we need to fix on this side. Yellow, green we need to fix on this side. So this is also same situation. I mean all three edges we need to rotate clockwise. So we can hold cube from any angle and again we will apply same algorithm. R, u prime, r prime, u prime, r, u prime, r prime. And we can see our simple parametres we have solved properly. Now I will show another case in both cubes. Okay, so first I will create same situation in this cube. Okay, so I have created same situation in both cubes. I mean this is green and blue, we need to fix on this position. So because there is green and blue, yellow and green, there is yellow and green, we need to fix on this side. So this is blue, yellow, we need to fix on this side. I mean in this time our all three edges we can see we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So when we match this top corner, so these three edges we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So this is our second case. When we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so we will change our algorithm. So our algorithm is, so this is anti-clockwise algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. This is done. Similar in this cube, this is yellow blue, we need to fix yellow blue in this position. This is blue green, we need to fix blue green on this position. This is yellow green, we need to fix on this side. This is also anti-clockwise case. So we can hold from any angle and we will apply anti-clockwise algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. And we can see our all cube we have solved. We have just left with these centers. So this is our last step. Okay, so this is our simple parametres. In this cube we have these kind of centers, so we can solve on this position. But in this Duomo parametres we will apply our another step. So we will just place our these centers. So we will find any two centers that we can replace to each other. If I check from this position, so blue and yellow we can replace to each other. If I check from this position, so green and red we can replace to each other. So any two center we can select. I can select these two and I can also select these two. So any two center that we need to replace to each other we can select and we will hold cube like that. One center we will place in bottom, second we will place in top, and we will apply down down up up 3 times and our cube will be solved. So hold cube like that and apply down down up up once, down down up up second time, and this time we will apply down down up up and our cube will be solved. So they are both very simple and very easy Rubik's cube, and we can solve these two cubes very easily. So if you like my video, so I request just like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.